Sing song. Can I put your name on the song today? Sing song. Can I put your name on the song today? Singing a song. I'm singing a song over here my way. Talking about song. Can I put your name in the song today? Hey, hey. Living water with Sister Glenda. I put your name over here on the song today. You came in the house, just come and show me love. So I'll put your name over here on the song today. I want to go over here and show you love. Because you over here just showing me love. But thank you for coming over here today. So I could say your name over here my way. Say hey, hey. Can I do a song for you? Say hey, hey. Can I do a song for you? Let's go, let's go. A living water with Sister Glenda. Yes, this song is just for all of you. The process of 911 in the house. So when you know I'm rocking from the south, I'm glad you get your numbers going up. So now I'm here to go and shout you up. Because I'm over here just doing me. I'm doing my things over here just on the beat. Talking about song. Can I do a song for you? Talk about song. Can I do a song for you? Said K. Renee, the garden in the house. I'm doing a song for you. So thank you for the coming over here, just vibing here for who? So when I'm over here to today, I'm here just to say your name. I put your name up on the song if you know just what I say. Say song. Can I do a song for you? Say song. Can I do a song for you? So thank you for coming over and showing me love. Giving all of y'all a virtual hug. No, I'm telling you it's all about me. Giving you nothing but energy. DJ Alco in the house today. Let me say your name right here today. Thank you for coming over and showing me love. So now I'm over here just to shout you up. Talking about song. Can I put you on the song? Say song. Can I put you on the song? A resilient, they're just coming by. You know he always gonna tell me hi. Showing love over there just on the bay. Showing love and you know he do his way. So now I put you over on a song. Yes, everybody get a name on a song. All you got to do is say it's hi. I'm also going to wave up to the sky. Talk about song. Can I put you on the song? Say song. the SP, I seen you in the house. Saying I need to get a Grammy for how I hold it down. You know you the need to Grammy for all the things you do. Write them poetry and in them book, and you just keep it true. Now I'm over here today, I'm here just to say goodnight. People telling me that right now, what we do today, we doing everything for you when I put you on the song. Everybody, yes, let me say all of y'all straight do belong. Talking about a song. Can I say your name today? Talking about a song. Can I put you on the song? Let's go. 12 bells in the house and I say your name today. Thank you for the coming over here, just come your way. I know you over there and sometimes it is cold. But still I'm over here and everybody know we go. 12 bells over there and she just doing her. Yes, I'm talking about you know you good enough. When I'm over here, I'm here just to say your name. So everybody knows about that, so what I bring. Talk about a song. Can I put your name on a song? Say song. Can I put your name on a song? Let's go. I say your name. Put your name over here when we in the game. Learn a lot over here, just come from you. So now I put your name on it too. All you have to do is come on in and see me looking with a big old grin. Because I appreciate all y'all energy. So why I put you on a song on D? Talking about song. Can I put you on a song? Talking about song. Can I put you on a song? So living water will so suckling down. Pozilla 911 up on ya. K Renee Garden, I'm seeing you. DJ Arco, I see you on too. A Brazilian there is in the house. Official 1SP getting down. 12 bell over here to hang with me. Yes, I'm doing this up on a beat. 12 bell, do you know I can't go see? See the one that's here to hang with me. Panama City, I see you too. Yes, I'm over here to thank on you. Talk about a song. Can I put you on a song? Say song. Can I put you on a song? Say tag is over there that's in the house. Thank you so I could go shout you out. The anti-liquor girl in the heat. But still I'm over here to hang with thee. So when I say your name, I say my way. When the garden is in the house, showing love today. Because I know your initial is the tag. Do you know I'm over here, I got your back. Talking about a song. Can I put you up on a song? Say song. Can up on a song. Sing a song. Can I put you on a song? Sing a song.